I joined IPV when it was initially conceptualized, as I was a CXO Genie member. My first angel investing happened only through IPV. Though I joined IPV, I did not invest for the first 6 months. I used to attend founders pitch and understood how angel investing works. I saw the rigor in which the IPV core team used to evaluate the startups, as well as the methodology that they followed for due diligence, and then decided to take the plunge and start investing after the period of 6 months. I look forward to the commitment calls where the lead member analyzes the entire startup using Porter's 5 forces and the scorecard highlighting each and every component in detail. I have no idea of any other angel networks because I invest only through IPV, and I've done multiple investments through IPV. IPV doesn't only provide capital to the founders, it also helps with so many CXO members part of the IPV network. It provides them adequate guidance, entry into various organizations where the members are associated. I have not come across any other angel network that provides this luxury to the founder. I feel transparency is the biggest value that IPV upholds. I remember a pitch by a celebrity founder. Without getting awed by the celebrity's image, the startup was evaluated, and as they could not provide a clear focus, IPV team decided not to proceed further on the same. I vividly remember till date, attendance was highest for the pitch by the celebrity founder. Also, the process followed by IPV is very methodical, and investment calls are taken basis data and not any gut.